and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel we focus on credit, finances, and money management. So Chase has officially launched their new credit card called the Chase Freedom Flex. So in today's video, I will give you everything you need to know before applying for this credit card. So we will go over the annual fee, sign-on bonus, earning rates and currency of this card, as well as the perks and benefits. Now, before I jump into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know my future videos are posted on YouTube. Now, let's jump right into the annual fee. So the great thing about this new credit card is that it does not have an annual fee. Now, in regards to the sign-on bonus, the current bonus is $200 in cash back if you spend $500 on this card in the first 3 months from when your card is actually approved. Now, the great thing is Chase has added an additional bonus category where you can earn 5% cash back when you use this card at grocery stores in the first year of having this card. Now, there is a limit to this, and that is $600 in that first year. Now, let's talk about the earning rates and currency of this credit card. So this is, in fact, a cash back credit card, and you will earn a standard 1% cash back. Now, the great thing about this credit card is that Chase has added bonus categories where you can earn more than the standard 1% cash back. So for example, you can earn 5% cash back when you use this credit card to book travel in the Chase Ultimate Rewards travel portal. You can also earn 5% cash back when you use this card to pay for any rides that you take with Lyft. Now, this bonus category in particular is only good through March of 2022. Now, you can also earn 3% cash back when you use this card on dining at restaurants, takeout, or on food delivery services such as Uber Eats or DoorDash. You can also earn 3% cash back when you use this card at drugstores like CVS or Walgreens. Now, there is also the option to earn 5% cash back on different bonus categories throughout the year. So every quarter, Chase will offer you the option to earn 5% cash back on different categories. Now, in order to qualify for this bonus 5%, you will have to activate this feature in the app or online. Now, there is a limit to how much cash back you can earn on these bonus categories, and the limit is $75 each quarter. Now, if this sounds familiar, it is because this structure in particular is very similar to the cashback structure of the Discover It cashback credit card. So let's jump right into the perks and benefits of this credit card. So the first thing is you do qualify for 0% APR on any purchases made on this card in the first 15 months. Now, you also do get a 3 free month subscription of Dash Pass. Now, this is a subscription service through DoorDash where you get an unlimited number of food deliveries where you will not be charged a delivery fee. Now, the only catch to this is your order must be over $12 in order to use this benefit. Now, the next benefit that this card offers is purchase protection. Now, this is basically an insurance coverage that Chase offers for any new purchases made on this card. Now, you do get this coverage for the first 120 days from when you make your purchase, and this will cover you against or protect you against damage or theft. Now, there is a limit to this, which is $500 per claim, or a lifetime benefit of $50,000. Now, this credit card also offers extended warranty. So for any new purchases that you make on this card that comes with a U.S. manufacturer warranty of 3 years or less, Chase will give you 1 additional year of this warranty coverage. So here are 2 additional benefits, and they are the auto rental collision damage waiver and the trip cancellation and trip interruption insurance. Now, when it comes to the auto rental collision damage waiver coverage, this will actually kick in if you meet the following criteria. So you first would have to decline the insurance offered by the rental company, and you would then have to put the entire cost of the rental on your credit card. Now, keep in mind, this coverage will cover you against theft or damage, but it is only secondary. You would have to file a claim through your personal insurance first. Then anything that's still not covered would then be covered by Chase. Now, when it comes to trip cancellation and trip interruption insurance, you can receive reimbursement for any out-of-pocket expenses that you incur due to your trip being canceled or cut short, whether it's because of sickness or severe weather. Now, you will only be able to get up to $1,500 per person or $6,000 per trip. Now, this credit card also offers cell phone protection. So if you use this credit card to purchase this cell phone outright, or if you're making a monthly payment plan and you use this credit card to pay your cell phone bill, you do qualify for this coverage. Now, this coverage will cover you against damage or theft. Now, the limit is $800 per claim or $1,000 per year. Now, there is a deductible of $50 per claim, and you can only file a maximum of 2 claims in a 12-month period. So let's talk about the pros and cons of this credit card. So the first pro I would have to say is the fact that this card does not have an annual fee, but it comes with so many amazing perks and benefits that pretty much any consumer could actually use and benefit from. The second pro or benefit is the fact that the spending requirement to get the sign-on bonus is very reasonable. Having to spend $500 in 3 months, I think that most people can actually and realistically meet this requirement. So let's jump right into the cons of this credit card. So the first one is the fact that Chase does have a restriction in order to qualify to be approved for this credit card. So if you have received a sign-on bonus from any other Chase credit card in the last 24 months, you would not qualify to apply and be approved for this particular credit card. The next downside to this credit card is the fact that this card and every other Chase credit card does fall under the 524 rule. Now, if you don't know what this is, there is this unspoken rule with Chase where if you have been approved for 5 or more credit cards in the last 24 months, you will automatically be denied in your current credit card application, regardless of how good your credit and income may be. Now, let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts about this credit card? Do you think Chase did a great job, or is this card lackluster at best? And also, let me know if you do in fact plan to apply for this credit card. I know for myself, I'm definitely not really interested in this card. I do already have the Freedom Unlimited. And if you want to learn more about that card, I will put a link here to a video that I did previously about that card and the new benefits that this card received recently as well. Now, as always, everyone, thank you for watching today's video. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.